So hey guys, how are you? Hope everything is going well and good. So I am Palla back with here another video. So today in this video we are going to look on how we can actually develop a simple recon tool, okay, for Bugbounty. So as in my workflow, how I actually implement my reconnaissance process. Okay, so I will develop simple 5 or 6 line of base scripting. Okay, so that will help you to do all the process automation, right? So for this you need to install some tools, okay, and we will make all the process automation. Okay, so first of all I will show you. So now we are going to create one script. Okay, so I have a folder recon.tool. okay, and then what I will do, I will normally use nano because this is normal 2 or 3 4 lines of code, so we don't need to use like any if you feel better, so you can use any code editor, okay, but I'm going to use only nano. Okay, then I will use recon.sh because we are going to implement base. Okay, so that's why we have given sh, right? So now what I will do, now I will specify the path, right? Okay, so then as base we have to define our base. Okay, and then what I will do, I will normally take one variable, okay, which is domain, and I will store one, okay, as the user input. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, so this is normal, so I will use a normal 2 or 3 line of statement, okay, using if statement. Okay, so I will use start the if. Okay, I will start the if, and then we need to define our the flag. And then I will not go to the deeply how like this flag is work for the base, right? Because I'm not going to teach you how to implement how to actually develop a base. Okay, so you have to go and you have to learn how actually base scripting work. Okay, so you can, this is normal, this is basic, so I have to go and I will define my domain. Okay, this is our variable, right? And domain, then I will, okay, then I will close this, and then I will use then. Okay, then we will try to print out okay for then we will try to print out like what is the command for our this reconnaissance tool. Okay, so we will normally use uses, okay, uses, like how to use this tool, like we are going to use recon, okay, .sh, okay, and we have to specify our target domain here, right? Then what I will do, I will normally do exit. Okay, then I will normally stop the statement here. Okay, so like okay, so now here I just close the condition, right? So now what's okay, like let me zoom the screen. Okay, so now what I will do, now our main our script will start. Okay, so actually we are going to implement some tools, okay, that will actually make your recon phase like more easy. Okay, so that's why we are going to use, first of all we are going to utilize subdomain scanning. Okay, then we will verify all the live subdomains. Okay, then we will try to extract all the URLs. Okay, and then we can do port scanning. Okay, and whatever like we can also implement our senses or Sudan scanning through this scripting. Okay, so everything I will go through the automation part. So here what I will do now, here I will create a directory mkdir with mkdir with domain. Okay, domain we have variable already we have taken. Okay, so domain, so like it will create a directory when actually like according to user input, right? Like to save our all the output. Okay, like so that's why we just create this this folder. Okay, so every time when actually you will run this script, so like all your input will save as a directory. Okay, so now what we will do, I will again do echo, okay, to print. So first of all, we are going to do enumerate the subdomains. So enumerating subdomain, sorry, subdomain for $1, okay, because we set okay as a value, right? So that's why we use the $1. Okay, so just skip this part, no need this one if you don't need to use, so like you can skip this part. Okay, no issues. Now here our command will start. Okay, so as I have already subdomain subfinder installed, okay, I will show you. Sorry, subfinder I have already installed. Okay, so so now I'm going to implement this subfinder tool. So let's go subfinder. Sorry, maybe my internet. Okay, everything is fine now. Okay, okay, so this video is only about how actually we can implement and how we can actually do all our recon process automation. So we don't need to spend our lots of time. Also we can normally run this script on our VPS, so it will do all the process automation. Okay, so we can also include our nuclear tools, like lots of, okay, no issue. So now I'm going to utilize this subfinder tool. So how can, okay, you can normally install, if you don't have, so you need to install this tool before. Okay, so now, okay, so I will do subfinder. Then for subfinder we have to specify so we have to specify our domain. Okay, then what I have to use this, okay, because this is our user input, right? So domain, then what I will use now. So okay, for subfinder, let's see some command from the subfinder that we can utilize. We have verbose output. I will use the silent mode. Okay, I will normally use the silent mode. Then what, okay, then I will save this output to our domain folder that we have created, right? Domain, then I will name it subs.txt. Okay, so first command is our script is ready for subdomain enumeration, right? Okay, let's see recon.sh. okay, and then what I will do, I will do this mode. Okay, then recon, so see, now it will asking for the domain name, right? So I have to specify domain name. So what I will use, I will normally go for like something like, okay, google.com. let's see. Okay, see, now it is actually enumerating subdomains from Google, right? So let's wait for the result. So we are waiting for the result now. Okay, so like this is how actually this is how I normally I do my automation process, right? Okay, so let's go, and we have created one folder as a google.com. okay, let's see. Okay, now see, we have subs. Okay, so now we have all the subdomains from Google. What, okay, sorry, okay, so now see, till now we have our script is ready, which will actually scan for all the subdomains, right? So now what I will do, after the subdomain scanning, so I have to actually verify like which subdomain is actually live, right? So what I will do now, I will use echo, then enumerating live subs for, and then what I will do, I will use cat, okay, then at the rate domain, right? Domain, see our domain is folder where actually our previously previously our output file is present, right? So I will use subs .txt, right? So now what I will, okay, so for here I have also one tool called httpx, okay. So httpx has a lot of features, so you need to also install this tool to create your process automation. So httpx, let's see, this is from project discovery tool, okay. So you can normally you can normally integrate with your own like automation script, okay. So how actually we can do, okay, so now okay, so we are going to use we are going to utilize a title, okay. So if we can and we are going to check against the status code, so we have httpx, then I'm going to use this, okay. Then I will save all those files as a live subs, okay. Domain, then live subs.txt, okay. Let's run this tool now. Okay, so we have previously google.com, so now let's run. Sorry. Okay, then I will go for now facebook.com. So now enumerating subdomains from the facebook.com, and it will also verify all the live subdomains, okay, from our target. So this will easily we can verify which subdomains is actually alive, right? So this will take our this will actually reduce our time, okay, when we are testing against our target. So we can do all the process automation, so we don't need to just create this script for once and run whenever actually you need, right, from anywhere. So now we have to go for, okay, okay, it is scanning for live subdomains, right? So it will take some time for till then, just wait. Okay, so guys, for this for today's so I will actually talk about how we can done actually subdomain enumeration, and then we just try to verify all the live subdomain, right? So for next video, what I will do, I will try to include all those processes that we need subdomain enumeration. Then we have to go for the live subdomain scanning, then we have to do port scanning, okay, for open port, right? Then we are trying to gather all the URLs from Webpack machine or using some tools, Webpack URL, and go. Then we are going to scan all the ports, okay, I have already told about it. Then we are going to actually trying to access all those JS file, okay. So all the reconnaissance process in one script. So this will actually really help you to, and really time consuming, right, when you are doing bug bounty hunting. So now it will take some time. Okay, so now we have successfully done our scanning process, okay. So now I will go to Facebook folder, then I will see, okay, I have all the subs, okay. Then after it is scanning against all the possible live hosts, okay, against our facebook.com. So I will go and try to use, okay, we got 400 or 301, okay. So like normally we can verify, okay, like this is the status code for our this subdomains. Okay, so now next what I will do, next I will try to implement like in last we can say last for today. So I'm going to implement, I'm going to implement to like look up all the URLs. Okay, so echo, then again I will use the same command, enumerating all URLs for our target. Okay, and then what I will do, I will normally go and I will do now get domain. Okay, then we have like this is our live subs, right? So I have to define this live subs. Okay, and then what I will do, I will go for webpack URLs, then webpack URLs, and then I will save it as a all URLs.txt, right? So again okay, now what I will go, I will do now I'm going to remove this line. Okay, for now, because it will take some time. Okay, so that's why I'm just like making good sense, right? Something is not working. Okay. Okay, now okay, this is our like okay, everything is set up now. Okay, we have normally like included webpack URL. Okay, to look up all the URLs from webpack machine. Okay, maybe I have done some mistake on this line, so I will do for now. Okay, I'm going to remove this line. Okay, okay, now okay, everything is fine. Okay, then again I'm going to remove facebook.com recon.js facebook.com. okay, so now it will scanning all the subdomain and all the URLs against the facebook.com. okay, so we can include all the possible reconnaissance space. Okay, that we can go for it, like we can verify like all the subdomains. Okay, but I have already told you. We can also include our so normally what we do for Sudan and Sensesa, so we can go manually and we can look. All right, okay, something is okay. Sorry, I have done one mistake. Is like my mistake is now this one, right? So we have to define subs.txt. Okay, so now it will like enumerating against all the URLs and subdomains. Okay, so yeah, we can include all those reconnaissance process. Okay, so that's why this like this is really good. Okay, that's why we can say this is a time consuming for us, right? So now also it already done our subdomain enumeration, then it is now enumerating against all the URLs. Okay, so we can also include our sensei, Sudan search, or we can include lots of our reconnaissance with that you like personally what actually you love to gather, right? So like for me, what I actually love to gather, so according to it I will create and I will develop my this script. Okay, for like automation process. So now it is taking some time. Just I'm going to Ctrl+C, go, then facebook.com. I will see. Okay, now see we have subs, we have all the URLs. Okay, let's see all URLs. See, now we have all the URLs from Facebook. So this is how actually we can do, and we can actually automate our reconnaissance process for bug bounty hunting. So for today this is all. Okay, hope you love this video, you love this content. I will try to post this like code snip to GitHub account. Okay, you can go and you can find out, and you can normally use. Okay, so hope for today this is a good session on like some automation. Thank you, bye bye, see you, take care. I will come with some another video. Bye bye.